kind of rest and...
Well,
some I can and some I can't.
Yeah.
Some birds are feistier than others.
Yeah, and blue jays are big and feisty. It's the bird whisperer.
Note, I'm wearing my safety glasses.
Oh, that's smart. His tail is tense. He's not going to stay, I don't think. He's not relaxed. No.
Buy my lunch?
The bird whisperer.
He's staying.
You can't talk. You have to be perfectly still.
The bird whisperer.
Oh.
Yeah.
He actually went to sleep.
Think you need to me?
Wow. This is going to cost me.
Might need a bigger one.
That seems so...
You got it turned around. One thing that I'm going to talk to you in a minute about, besides the numbered bands that we use.
I'm just going to walk him.
All right, rock your hand a little bit. Let's let him go.
Yeah. I put him way down.
Yeah.
Just, here, let me have
Just
it.
set him down on the ground, maybe?
No. Sometimes I get him too far down.
Oh, that got him.
One thing that we